The information used in this video has been reproduced with permission from the National Fire Protection Association. Cooking brings family and friends together, provides an outlet for creativity, and can be relaxing. But did you know that cooking fires are the #1 cause of home fires and home injuries? By following a few safety tips, you can prevent these fires. Cook with caution. Be on alert. If you are sleepy or have consumed alcohol, don't use the stove or stovetop. Remain in the kitchen while you are frying, boiling, grilling, or broiling food. If you leave the kitchen for even a short period of time, turn off the stove. If you are simmering, baking, or roasting food, check it regularly. Remain in the home while food is cooking and use a timer to remind you that you are cooking. Keep anything that can catch fire, like oven mitts, wooden utensils, food packaging, towels, or curtains, away from your stovetop. If you have a small grease cooking fire and decide to fight the fire, on the stovetop, smother the flames by sliding a lid over the pan and turning off the burner. Leave the pan covered until it is completely cooled. For an oven fire, turn off the heat and keep the door closed. If you have any doubt about fighting a small fire, just get out. When you leave, close the door behind you to help contain the fire. Call 911 from outside the home.
911, what's your emergency?